Today we're talking about the royal family and in particular Meghan Markle and Prince Harry, also known as
Duke and Duchess of Sussex,
and why they are still using their titles. So take it away.
Well, this is not me speaking. This is what I see in my comment section, and the general consensus of the people is, well, you've left the royal palace, you've left the royal family, you've left the fold of the royal family, so why then do you want to take their title and use it? So since you've left the royal family, you should not be using Duke and Duchess of. You should just go by your normal name. Well, Prince Harry was born into the royal family, so if he still would like to be called His Royal Highness Prince Harry, I think that's pretty fine. But as
he's always a prince.
Yeah,
like,
he's once a prince, always a prince. You can't take that away from him. Exactly, you're correct. But as for the couple referring to themselves as Duke and Duchess of Sussex, I don't think that they should use their titles, because once they've left, they've left. So that means you've left the title behind too.
But have they been stripped of their title?
I don't think so.
But have they been stripped of their title?
I don't think so.
So why can't they use it then?
Don't think anybody's fought on that line, have they? They've just said they've left the palace.
Yeah.
So drop the titles.
Because if you leave the palace, okay, what is the palace like? It's
okay, they've left the royal family. Okay.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, because you can't. Okay, so Prince Harry is born a prince,
yes.
right? So if we're talking about monarchy,
yeah,
and bloodline, etc.,
yeah,
he's a prince. He's a prince forever.
Yeah.
He leaves the palace. He's still a prince wherever he goes.
Yeah.
So why should he drop a title if they've given him a title? Why should he drop it? Unless if he's stripped of it, that's different.
Oh.
But and not the prince. I'm talking about the duke.
Yeah.
Duke and Duchess titles.
Yeah. Yeah.
If he's stripped of it, fine.
Yeah.
But if he's not stripped of it, then why wouldn't you use it?
Oh, that actually makes perfect sense. I don't think the people in my comment section have thought along those lines.
Well, they just think, you know, if you've turned your back on your family, you should turn your back on everything that they stand for. Yeah. But to be fair, we don't really know the ins and outs of what's going on. So we only know what the media portrays. Yes. Media's portrayed Harry and Meghan as the villains, right? Yeah. So, but we don't know. Are they villains? Are they not? If they, let's imagine for a second that they're not villains. They've already lost everything because they've had to leave family behind in order to stay sane and to stay like as a family unit. Yeah. Who knows what they've been going through? I don't know. Could be the opposite. Maybe they are the villains, right? But then why would they have to denounce their titles as well? I denounced them. Why would they have to denounce their titles as well if they've already lost so much? Yeah. I mean, Harry's lost his whole family. Yeah. Regardless of who's to blame. Yeah. It's very sad.
Yeah, very, very sad.
So, yeah. Why do you think they're still using the title? You think or what do your commenters think? They think they're making money out of it or something?
The people in my comment section feel like they're using their titles to make themselves feel big, to make them as a brand, kind of, to make themselves feel important, I think. Like when they're introduced at charity events, they say Duke and Duchess of Sussex instead of Prince Harry and Meghan Markle. So it's like a persona. It's like I don't know how to explain it. That's how they feel like they're using it as a celebrity kind of status.
Yeah, I can see that for Meghan because she's just Meghan Markle. But for Prince Harry, Duke, Prince, I think Prince actually sounds higher than Duke, right? So Prince Harry, he's got status, he's got title, he's he is who he is, you know.
True.
He doesn't need the Duke. He doesn't need the Duke.
Yeah, that's true. Actually,
title.
Yeah,
so,
that's true.
Anyway, very interesting discussion and thoughts. Thank you for being here. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe. See you next time. Bye.
Bye.